This pair here might be the rarest pair in my entire collection. Not just because the boots are rare, the box itself is incredibly rare. And at the moment, I believe I'm the only person in the UK to have this box. Makes it a little bit special. So I was kindly sent these by Rarest Soccer. These are the brand new Under Armour Shadow Elite 3 in the Pitch Viper colorway. They're absolutely crazy. There's 1,200 pairs worldwide, only 40 pairs in the UK. But like I said, pretty sure this is the only one with the box at the moment. So, shall we unbox them? Let's take a look at the box first, because it's absolutely crazy. It's so heavy. It's got this snakeskin print on the front, as you can see, with the snake, viper, and also the Under Armour logo, as you can see there. There's no size label or anything on the box, but it's so heavy. And then if I put it down, oh, I don't want to break it. It slides open like this. Are you ready for the boots? Here we go. Check them out. So they come in this like glass or plastic case. The boots here, look at them. Absolutely crazy. Then at the bottom of the box, they also came with this Under Armour shirt, as you can see here. It's really pretty cool. I'm trying to show you the details close up. So you have the badge there on the front, the Under Armour detailing on the front. Yeah, really a big fan of this. It's a nice little touch, so thank you so much. So like I said, there's only 40 pairs in the UK to be released. Unfortunately, I don't believe they come with a box like this. You'll just get a standard box, but the boots are incredibly rare. It's just, I was incredibly blessed to get this box and I'm so grateful for it. Can't quite believe it. But let's take a look at the boots. So this colorway is called the Pitch Viper, and it's based on the Pit Viper, one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. And you can see that with the snakeskin upper that they've used on this pink, and I mean bright pink upper. You're not going to miss this on the pitch. They're absolutely crazy. And if you're into bright boots, this is the one you're going to want, because does it get much brighter than this? You do have the Under Armour logo on the side, and I do like the colouring of this. It shines really nicely in the light. It's the exact same on the inside of the heel here. Yeah, big fan. So you do get this sock-like tongue, which wraps around your feet very nicely, and then you've got the detailing right there. The laces match that, which I'm always a big fan of. The laces should match the tongue. I just think they look a little bit odd when it's a different colour to the tongue. It just doesn't work for me. We do also get some accessories. So get a spare set of laces which kind of match that pink. So you do actually get an option to almost match the snakeskin upper. So pink and black upper, and then the laces pink and black as well, which is quite a good little touch to accessorize. Don't mind that. So I have worn the Shadow Elite 3 before. Fantastic pair of boots. Super comfy. This upper does feel a little bit stiffer, but I'm going to try it and see how they are. The sole plate has been very iconic for Under Armour. Nobody's really done anything like this before. As you can see, the studs at the back are a little bit different. It performs very aggressively on grass. I've tried it out on grass. AstroTurf, maybe don't use it, but on grass it is phenomenal. Really, really good traction and good for turning and changing direction really quickly. And it looks stunning. Look at that carbon sole plate. Do football boot companies do that anymore? Because that is how you do a sole plate. That looks phenomenal. These are exclusive to Rarest Soccer. Don't think you can get them anywhere else. There's only 1,200 pairs in the world. Very, very rare. And because of this box, I think it actually makes it probably the most rare pair in my collection, which is crazy to think. I now have the Lamine Yamal 50s, which are pink, and these that are pink. Both incredibly rare. Yeah, maybe pink boots is for me. Let's take a look inside the boots. So they do come with a cardboard shoe treat on the inside. Let's take a look at the insole. So take out the insole, and you can see the same logo as on the box there. Let's bring the box back. I honestly cannot really believe that I have this pair in my collection now. Thank you so much to Rarest Soccer. These are incredible. Let me know down below in the comments if you're going to be going for them. You have to be an absolute baller to pull them off, because you're going to be noticed on the pitch in these. Wow, what a pair. This is the brand new Under Armour Shadow Elite 3 in the Pitch Viper colorway. Crazy.